Jai Hind. In today's topic, I'm going to talk about a very alarming trend which is going on in a country, that is a trend of increasing dummy admissions in schools. Sadly, it is one of the very alarming trend in India these days. It has been seen that students are leaving the security of caring teachers and nurturing environment and enrolling themselves in the coaching for JEE and NEET in coaching institute while taking the dummy admissions to clear their board examinations. But surely it is not a recipe of success. If we see the result of JEE and NEET, only the few students among the top rankers took coaching while studying in a dummy schools. It has been seen that most of the students selected in JEE and NEET are from the reputed schools, and these students also took part in extra co-curricular activities, and which enhances their personality and also enhances the important employability skills in them. And moreover, there are many cases in the country in the recent time which shows that dummy schools and the coaching institutions are counterproductive with life anxiety levels and a shocking increase in suicide cases among the students, because it is extremely stressful for the students, and also it is affecting the creative sides of the students, because the focus is only on the clearing of the competitive entrance exam, but these students are ill-equipped with the life skills, because no coaching institute teach about the life skills to the students. And for the student, they must think twice before opting any subject, any institution and any campus, and these decisions must not be taken under the parents' pressure or the peers' pressure. Don't be pressurized by the parents and the peer groups to go for the engineering and medical fields if it is opposite to your dream career. Always focus on career by choice, not a career by chance. Focus on your talent, your interest and your aspirations. And purely according to me, why this dummy culture is increasing in a country, I have some reasons for this. And number one is the level of competitive examination is very high, and the students try to find out a method to crack such examinations. For them, they find that coaching institute is a very shortcut method. Second is huge board syllabus. Though the board has reduced the syllabus, but still the students who are preparing for the competitive examination, they find it a lot and they take it as a burden. According to me, the third reason is reduced importance of the board examination marks, because the student is aware that only certain percentage is required to fill an examination for any entrance exam. And this one and the fourth one is very important according to me, because parents don't have time to sit with the children and help them in a study because they have their own excuses. Even it has been seen that parents who are themselves taking chemistry, physics, mathematics and biology in a private and a government institution, sending their children to a coaching institutions. If you don't believe me, you can see around yourself, you will find many of such parents. And the last but not least, lack of strict government policies, because अगर government चाहे तो क्या नहीं हो सकता है. जय हिंद.